Assalomu alaykum aziz yurtdoshlar. Mana bugun 3-darsimizni ham boshlab oldik. Birinchi bo'lib o'rganadigan so'zimiz bu cold, ya'ni sovuq degani. Cold, cold. Sovuq suv. Suv so'zi war esdan chiqqan bo'lsa. Cold war. Cold war. Cold war. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz book. Kitob degani. Book. Book. Sening kitobing. Your book. Your book. Your book. Bu mening kitobim. Bu so'zi zest est. Zest ist my book. Zest ist my book. Zest ist my book. Yangi so'zimiz you. Sen, siz degani. Bundan oldingi darsimizda your so'zini o'rgangandik. Sening, sizning. Yani oxiridagi r harfini olsangiz you, sen, siz so'zi bo'ladi. You. You. Sen biroz non yegin. You eat some bread. You eat some bread. You eat some bread. Books. Ya'ni kitoblar degani. Book degani kitob. O'zbekchada lar so'zi ingliz tilida s deb aytiladi. Books. Kitoblar. Mana shu book so'ziga s so'zini qo'shib qo'ysangiz lar deb aytiladi. Books. Kitoblar. Book. Kitob. Books. Kitoblar. Books. Senga kitoblar kerak. You need books. You need books. You need books. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz good. Ya'ni yaxshi degani. Good. Good. Yaxshi suv. Good war. Good war. Good war. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz have. Bor, ega. Ya'ni senda bor, menda bor degan so'zlar ishlatiladi. Have. Have. Menda bor. I have. I have. I have. Senda bor. You have. You have. You have. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz many. Ko'p degani. Many. Many. Ko'p kitoblar. Many books. Many books. Many books. Ko'p, yaxshi kitoblar. Many good books. Many good books. Many good books. Keyin yangi so'zimiz read. O'qimoq. Read. Read. Men o'qiyman. I read. I read. I read. Sen o'qiysan. You read. You read. You read. Keyingi yangi so'z I am. Ya'ni men o'zim haqimda ma'lumot bermoqchi bo'lsam, I am deb boshlaymiz so'zni boshida. I am. I am. Men otaman. I am a dad. I am a dad. I am a dad. Keyingi yangi so'zimiz it. Ya'ni u degani hayvonga yoki bironta narsa buyumga ishlatasiz u deb, lekin insonga, shaxsga bu so'zni ishlatmaysiz. It. It. Menga u kerak. I need it. I need it. I need it. Shu bilan darsimiz oxiri edi. Bu bugungi o'rgangan so'zlarimiz. Cold sovuq, it u, book kitob, books kitoblar, a bitta bironta, good yaxshi, read o'qimoq, many ko'p, have bor, you sen yoki siz, I am men. Agar sizga darsimiz yoqqan bo'lsa, bitta like va obuna bo'lib qo'yishni unutmang, chunki keyingi darslarimizni o'tkazib yubormaysiz.